Hey guys, Wellesley here again from My-Island-Jamaica.com. Welcome to my special Q&A series. Today I'm answering the question, when is the hurricane season in Jamaica? If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button to stay updated on all my latest videos. Alright, so when is the hurricane season in Jamaica? Season actually runs from June 1 to November 30th. Now, during this time, we usually see an increase in rainfall activity, usually peaking between September and October and petering off in November. Based on where we're located, it makes it a little more interesting. As you know, we're in the Caribbean, and so the hurricanes usually develop in the Atlantic and move westward to us. So that's the unfortunate thing. The good thing though is that we're actually located in a little sweet spot, right bit across from Hispaniola, which is Dominican Republic and Haiti, and south below Cuba. So we're actually almost between both per se. And also they have the Blue Mountain Peak, one of the highest peaks in this part of the world, that helps to cushion the hurricane activity as well. So we're blessed in that regard. Right now we have two agencies. We have the ODPEM, that's an office operating out of the Prime Minister's office, and the Met Service that tracks, records and monitors all weather patterns as well. So they provide us information and keep us on our toes. So we're always on the lookout. Alright, so to answer your question again, it's June 1 through November 30, the hurricane season. But we're always on the lookout. And we really, despite the fact that we are in the hurricane and in this belt here, we don't get as much, certainly compared to some of the other our Caribbean neighbors, you know, like Haiti. They get it a lot. So we're thankful. I've answered this question already. It's actually in the description with a link to the blog post. Right? Also, there is a link that I've included in there as well, that speak about hurricane preparedness. So make sure you click on that link, and for those of you who are prone, based on where you live, to hurricane, make sure you follow that link as well to make sure we're safe. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Let me know what you think of this video. Give it a like if it was helpful to you, and also share a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Thank you.